This is my outfit for today. It's really cold outside. I love how cozy this outfit is. Look at these gloves, they're so cute. They're my melody. Has a heart on my ring finger. My arms are already so sore from putting on 2 legs, and I have 2 more to go, and then I need to attach this as well. This is my first time making a coffee table. I've never built furniture before. I ran into a bit of an issue because I thought I could just use like my scissors to screw things in, but you also need something to make a hole into the wood. I don't have anything that could possibly do that. But I think this works fine for now. I'll just wait for my dad to help. This is so cute. Oh my god. I stopped by the mall earlier and I got a few things. I did some damage here. This blind box had such cute pics. It's the Miko Stay at Home series. Cute! She's got like a bag of chips and it's kind of matching with what I'm wearing right now, like red. You also get a little basket. Yo. They gave me a surprise bag. I got 3 Senrio masks. Wow, I'm not disappointed. They're like 3 face sheet masks. One is Hello Kitty, Kuromi, and My Melody. Oh my god, I love it. Are those stickers? Christmas candy decoration cards. It's a cinema roll Christmas pen. How can I open this? Okay, one last thing. Ah, cute! A Kit Kat. I think this is like strawberry flavored. This is my coffee table layout for now. I didn't open these because I'm going back home this weekend, so there's no point in me opening this now for it to smell nice when I'm away for a whole month. I want to get more candles because I think there's something missing. I also want to get a vase for those dried flowers and also for like flowers that I want to get, like fresh ones. So to have something like standing, I think that would look really nice. Those are actually cushions that you can put on the floor, so whenever there's a lot of people coming over at my place to sit on the carpet with the seat cushions, they're actually really soft. I tried it out. And then I have those cute little plushies, a squirrel and a bunny. And over on this side, I also got this round gray sofa cushion. I love the texture of it, and also this fuzzy rug. For dinner tonight, I ordered Uber Eats because I forgot to get groceries. That's honestly just an excuse to order. I got Yangnyeom chicken. Oh my god, look at that. Wow! I need to send a picture to my mom. Good morning, everyone. Today is my oral presentation, 8 a.m. and I will be meeting up with my group members at 9 to rehearse. presentation went really well this morning. Everything went by very seamlessly. Our school was giving out free hot chocolate cookies and crepes outside of the school. So I got one there. I got the banana Nutella one. I'm going to have hot pot with a friend later for dinner to celebrate the beginning of our Christmas break. Yay! Today I have a few errands to run before I go home for winter break. I ordered a giant pain au chocolat from Galeries Lafayette from a bakery, and I'm going to pick it up later since I like to bring back food for my family. I thought a giant pastry would be such a funny thing. I have not packed my suitcase yet, so I also have to do that today. Later tonight I have plans to meet my friends for dinner. I've been eating out so much lately because I don't have any food at home anymore, and there's no point in going grocery shopping. Like, I only have enough rice and food for one meal. That will be my lunch today. I finished styling my hair and this is how it looks. I'm wearing this leopard print top and a black cardigan. I'm still wearing my sweatpants, but I'm going to put on some black jeans. Guys, I think I've just bought the craziest thing. Oh my god. Bigger than my head. This is so crazy. Oh my goodness. Hopefully it holds up until tomorrow and it doesn't become stale. Since my train is in the morning, I wouldn't have time to buy it tomorrow. I've never seen a pastry this big and it's actually edible. That's crazy. I feel like a mukbanger right now. But this is everything that I got from my family. A giant pain au chocolat, 2 cakes. This is lychee raspberry. And oh my god, this thing stank up the whole wagon. I felt so bad for everybody who was sitting next to me. It's a durian cake that I got from my mom. Oh, I don't like the smell at all. These are so pretty. Traditional Chinese pastries. And then I got 2 box cakes. It has mochi, taro, and then pork floss. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it when I'm home. Lastly, I got 8 sesame balls. They have red bean paste inside of them and they're my mom's favorite, so I had to get these. Once when I didn't get them, she was really disappointed. I'm going to eat one of them. My love language is definitely food. I love baking and bringing food for my family and for my friends. Oh! It's so greasy. This is just a little snack before I head out for dinner. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh.